Hello there, welcome to our channel Login Tips again. Hope you are doing fine. I'm back with another tutorial video, and today I'll be showing you how to log into your KeyBank account from your computer. And now without further ado, let's dive right into the video. But before that, don't forget to like, subscribe and hit that bell icon for more videos. Now to log into your KeyBank account from your computer, first open up your preferred browser, as I have already opened the Google Chrome, and on the search bar click over there and type in keybank.com like this and hit enter, or you can just simply search for KeyBank login like this on the Google itself and hit enter. And on the first result of Google, you can see the ibx.key.com, which is the login page of KeyBank itself. And on the first tab, we are on still the home page of KeyBank. Now to log into your personal account from over here, the home page of KeyBank, you can see the sign in option at the right side of the screen. Click on sign on, and after that you can see both of these pages are same to log into your KeyBank account. So let's close one of these. Now to log into your KeyBank account, you'll be required to enter your user ID over here, and after that enter your password over here, and then click on sign in to log into your KeyBank account from over here. Or if you have some kind of problem signing into your KeyBank account, click on problem signing on, and then you'll be taken to the procedure to troubleshoot your login in problems. Or if you have not yet created an account on KeyBank, you can see the open a new account option available over here. Click on open a new account to go through a procedure to create an account on KeyBank. And there guys, this is how you log into your KeyBank account. And if you have any confusions or questions regarding the topic, don't hesitate to comment in the comment section below, and don't forget to like, subscribe and hit that bell icon for more videos. Thank you for watching guys. Peace.